Hello friends, welcome back again to the next lesson of 10th standard. The previous class we discussed about the beginning of the story and we saw that who is John and who is Robert and where they are going and all the other things. In this lesson they are moving to Orleans. Unfortunately I said Dauphin is the place. Actually Dauphin is the king and Orleans is the place. Yeah, continue here. The Dauphin will give me all I need to free the Orleans. So they are going to meet the Dauphin. Dauphin is the oldest king of France, one who would become the king after his father, which means a prince simply. To free Orleans, a square. Three men will be enough for you to send with me. Polly and Jack have promised to come with me. So they need only three men. They have already arranged the people who are Polly and Jack will follow uh, her. Who? John. Follow her. And you mean Monsieur de Polegue? Here, Polly means Monsieur means when we are speaking in English language, we say Mister. In French, we say that Monsieur. Monsieur de Polegue means the short form of Polly. It's elaborated here as Polegue. And yes, Mister Polly. Johnny Square. Jack will come willingly. He is very kind gentleman and gives me money to give the to the poor. I think John Godsabe will come and Dick the archer and their servants, John of Hancock and Julian. There will be no trouble for you. Squire, I have arranged it all. You have only to give the order. So she already arranged all the things what she needs to free Orleans. Orleans is the place and they are going to meet a Dauphin in that city. Robert, is this true about Mr. Polingi? Stewart, yes sir. And Mr. Polingi mates too. They both want to go with her. So many people are ready to go with John. Their names are mentioned already above. These are the people who are ready to go with John. Then Robert, send Monsieur de Polgay to me, will you? Goes to the window and shouts into the courtyard. He turns to John, get out and wait in the yard. So Robert ordered John to go out and wait outside for his order. Now other people are coming to the scenario. Let's see who are they. Robert, to the steward, go with her, stay within call and keep your eye on her. I shall have her up here again. So he ordered steward to go outside to watch John. After this meeting, he will call again John to the courtyard. The steward retreats hastily. Retreats hastily means moves away in a hurry. Bertrand de Poligny, a French guard, enters, salutes the stands waiting. Robert. She says, you, Jack, and Dick have offered to go with her. What for? Do you take her crazy idea of going to the Dauphin seriously? So they are going to meet a Dauphin, and here Robert is asking, are you taking this her idea seriously? Polgay, there is something about her. It may be worth trying. Yes, it's very important we have to try this idea because it is very crucial at this moment. Robert, oh come on Polly, you must be out of your mind. Polgay, what is wrong with it? The Dauphin in Chinon, like a rat in the corner. Expect he won't fight. The English will take Orleans. He will not be able to stop them. The Dauphin is actually the prince. The Dauphin is like a rat. He is hide himself into the into the fort. So the English is attacking the city of Orleans and they might be capture that. Before that they have to go and reach there in Orleans. Robert, he beat the English the year before last at Montreuil. I was with him. He says that Dauphin was beaten the English a year before, the last at Mortgage. So he was with during that time with the Dauphin during that time. But his men are cowed. Cowed means frightened, frightened, and now he can't work miracles. And I tell you that nothing can save our side now but a miracle. So there is Polge says that there is only one way. We have to follow the idea of John. I used to think, so I am not so sure now. There is something about her. I think the girl herself is a bit of a miracle. Anyhow, it's a last chance. Let's see what she can do. So Polge is supporting John. She is herself a miracle because she is just 17 or 18 years old and she is fighting very bravely against their enemies. So we are looking a miracle from her side. There is no other way. Polgate, Robert, you really think that? Polgate, is there anything else left for us to think? Let's just take a chance towards have put fire into me. Yes, they are looking for a last chance there. Here, have put fire into me means yes, inspired or motivated. Have inspired or motivated. Robert, giving up. You are as mad as she is. Polge, we want a few mad people now. See, where the same ones have landed us. I feel like a fool. Still, if you feel sure. Polge, I feel sure enough to take her to Chinon unless you stop me. Robert, do you think I have to have another talk with her? Polge, yes. John, come up. John enters. So here, Polge is supporting John and they want to move to Chinon to save Dauphin and the area of Orleans. But Robert is restricting that, but still Polge is supporting that. That's all for today. We will discuss in the upcoming lesson.